In this video, I'll show you how to find and buy penny stocks using the Fidelity app or the Fidelity website. The process is simple and works the same way for most accounts. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. First, open the Fidelity app on your phone or go to the Fidelity website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the search icon, which is usually a magnifying glass, at the top of the screen. Tap on the search bar and enter the ticker symbol or company name of the penny stock you want to buy. When the stock appears, select it to open the stock's detail page. Here, you can review important information like the current price, chart, volume, and company details. Scroll down and tap on Buy. Now enter the number of shares you want to purchase. If you have more than one Fidelity account, make sure you select the correct account before continuing. Next, choose your order type. For penny stocks, Fidelity often requires a limit order, so enter the price you're willing to pay per share. This gives you better control over your purchase price. After entering all the details, tap Preview Order. Review everything carefully, including the total cost and order information. If everything looks correct, confirm the order by tapping Buy. Once submitted, your order will be placed and filled when the market reaches your limit price. That's how you can find and buy penny stocks using the Fidelity app or website. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.